welcome back to Electric Tornado. Today we're going to be going over our severe weather forecast for the next few days. Today is August 15th, 2025. So let's get into our severe weather forecast and tropical weather forecast. So let's get into it. First, we're going to start with our severe weather forecast for the next few days, starting with our day one outlook for today, August 15th, 2025. As we do have a slight risk in effect for southern Minnesota, including Minneapolis, southeastern South Dakota, including the cities of Miller and Winter, and western central Wisconsin, including Madison, where scattered severe weather will be a possibility, as some storms could develop. Some lines of storms and even some supercells will even be a possibility. Today over here, there's a lower chance for supercells, but high chance for lines of storms, and some clusters of storms will also be a possibility for this location today. So yeah, and we do have a tornado risk in effect as well. The main concern for tornadoes will be up here for northern Wisconsin and and southeastern Minnesota. We'll also have a possibility to see a few tornadoes today, including Minneapolis, Shakopee, Merrill, and those locations, Shakopee. So yeah, isolated tornado 2 will also be a possibility in those locations. We also could see some isolated tornadoes around Iron River, Crystal Falls, Watersmeet, Marinskell, Ironwood, and Brooklyn, or anywhere even near these locations as well. So yeah, some isolated tornado 2 will be a possibility in that tornado risk. We also do have a wind risk too, as we have 15% wind risk, which is the yellow, which is the same area as slight risk. Some large hail will also be a possibility over here in this yellow, including Minneapolis. So if you're in that, recommend parking your car in the garage so it doesn't get damaged by hail. So yeah, we do get a few severe storms over here in northern Iowa. So if you're in northern Iowa, I'd stay aware for some scattered severe weather as well, or just one line of storm that could move through your area, as this storm will be moving through and hopefully weakening pretty soon. Some severe weather will also be possible in eastern Wyoming today and southeastern Montana today. Let's check out our day 2 outlook for tomorrow, August 16th, as we do have a marginal risk for tomorrow, which expands from up here in eastern Montana all the way through all of these states. It includes a lot, but look at this. This is a large marginal risk. Includes South Dakota, southern central Minnesota, including Minneapolis, Madison, Chicago. Goes into Michigan even, including parts of western central Michigan, which is right here. But yeah, it's the green. Where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility. And yeah, there is going to be a small chance for isolated tornado or 2 tomorrow down here in South Dakota, central South Dakota, including Winter, Miller, Clark, and Pierre, even up here for the Dupree, Eagle, blah. So if you're in those areas, even in between those areas as well, you guys could see some a tornado or 2 and isolated tornado 2 as well. When there is a wind risk, you can see winds up to 60 miles per hour. And hail risk, we see some small hail in this risk tomorrow as well. Even northern Indiana tomorrow could also see some, northern Indiana, northern Illinois, including Chicago, could also see some severe weather tomorrow. So yeah, let's check out our severe weather outlook for August 17th, 2025, which is again in the same location pretty much, but a little bit smaller, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility. So yeah, that was our severe weather outlook. We do have a few storms up here in near Washington and stuff that should move out eventually and go away. So yeah, we do get a bunch of little heat advisories continuing over here in this circle. So if you're in this circle, stay hydrated. Pretty much if you're in the United States, I stay hydrated as well, because you know these cold stuff is up ahead, which is going to be for winter and fall, which would be La Nina stuff. But right now it's going to be pretty hot, so stay hydrated. So yeah, let's check out our tropical weather outlook for the next few days. As we do got to talk about tropical, or now Hurricane Erin, that's continuing down here, and it's going to be continuing as a hurricane for a while. So we do have a Category 1 hurricane continuing over here, which is pretty concerning. It will eventually turn into a Category 2 pretty soon as well, which will be for August, let's see. It'll turn into Category 2 by August 16th, and then continue as a Category 2 through August 16th, and eventually turn into Category 3 by August 16th. And then it continue as a Category 3 through August 17th, and then by August 18th and 19th and 20th and stuff, it will be a Category 4 hurricane. It won't hit the United States right now, if it is while it's a Category 4. And then it will continue as a Category 3 after that on August 20th at 8 a.m. So, yeah, the thing is that this does have a potential to go towards the United States. This is my guess I would do. It might just do this and kind of just go up into the Atlantic and possibly even go that way. There is a chance it does this and goes up here like that. There is a chance that it does this and does that. There is a chance it does this. But the highest possibility is this, this, or this. So that's what we're expecting. You guys down here don't have to worry about this anymore. If you're in the circle, you guys don't have to worry about this. If you're up here, I'd just be watching this just in case it does make landfall in your location. But as we said, it could just go up into the Atlantic Ocean and not affect anyone. Let's talk about our tropical invest down here, over here in Texas down here, southern Texas, which is over here for the little thing that goes down, which is over here in southern Texas, you could say. So this includes the cities of Kingsville, Alice, Corpus Christi, Starbase, Rio Grande City, a lot of these little locations over here in southern Texas, as we do have a tropical invest down here, which is not tropical storm, not tropical depression, not any of that kind of stuff. It's lower than all that. It's moving through this area, which we gotta talk about because we could see some flooding in this area. We even do got a tropical disturbance for some reason. It's a weird looking tropical disturbance. I don't know why it's down there, but we don't have to worry about that. So it's not going to turn into any tropical storm or anything. It's going to feel tropical, but it's not a tropical storm or anything. It's just a tropical invest. We got to talk about the heavy rainfall that will be concerning for this area as it continues. This is how it's kind of been moving. It's actually moving pretty fast. But it's weakening. It's rapidly weakening, I think, and it will probably just scrape across Mexico as well, as it's going this way. So yeah, then it'll probably continue going kind of like this way, and possibly going to Mexico at some point. But this could cause some heavy rainfall, that could lead to flooding. So just make sure to turn around, don't drown on kind of flooded roadways, and be careful if you're in this area. So yeah, and we do got some strong winds blasting into Texas today as well. So yeah, and I do want to mention one thing about our tropical cyclone formation for the next 2 weeks to 4 weeks and stuff. So we could see more tropical development off of Africa again, which is down here, over here. We could see some tropical development down here within 2 weeks. We could see some tropical development in here with 2 weeks. We see some tropical development in here with 2 weeks. And we could even see some tropical development in that same area in 4 weeks as well. So that's just what we need to talk about, because hurricane season is not over. It is not over. We had not have a hurricane that has ever hit the United States this summer so far. So yeah, that was our weather outlook for the next few days. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a very good day. Consider subscribing to this channel, and yeah, have a good day, everybody. Stay weather aware, and yeah, see you guys later.